we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works, and we can see how important that is. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, the market is flat. But remember, guys, we are the only game in town for the next 3 days. Do not forget the holiday. So yes, we're going to be flat right now, but Sunday and Monday, we're definitely going to pick up. And remember, CME also is going to be closed. So definitely, guys, we're going to see a minor pump Sunday going into Monday. Remember, guys, it's the holiday. So we're the only game in town for 3 whole days. Now, of course, guys, we have Bitcoin touching that 50,000. Biden did a speech on the jobs report. I did a video on it yesterday. Even though this jobs report was negative, guys, what happens today? That free money runs out today. We already know the numbers are going to get better and better every single month, and they know it. This free money is over for right now. We know problem, reaction, solution. We know that free money is going to come next year, but it's going to be in the form of cryptocurrency. But for right now, they want the people to beg, so therefore they already have the solution. We know the New World Order works off problem, reaction, solution. And then also, guys, we have Ethereum records negative daily issuance for the first time after EIP 1159. And guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. It's very important over these next 3 days because you will be able to make money. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research, and the key word is research. But volume, Tether, USDC, and also, guys, the Fed. Make sure you're definitely keeping your eye on the Fed. They're doing $1 trillion a day. But we also know this month they meet, I think, on the 21st and 22nd. And if they talk about tapering, we know the market is going to pull back. But we know for a fact they're going to start tapering in the 4th quarter. And then also, guys, raise taxes. And that is hilarious. Please go watch my video last night. We have seen this movie before. So we know if you raise taxes on the wealthy, this is going to jumpstart the 4th industrial revolution. Because they're not going to want to pay the people, especially the amount of money that they're paying right now. And then on top of it, pay taxes. Because a lot of people have already raised their minimum wage already. So guys, we know the robots, algorithms, and drones are waiting in the back. Remember the problem, reaction, solution. And then also, guys, make sure you keep an eye on Grayscale. They did about another $700 million yesterday. So when you have this whale buying billions of dollars every day or every other day or selling billions of dollars, you know it's going to swing the market up or down. So guys, make sure you're keeping an eye on the Grayscale whale. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have data shows traders are shifting from NFTs to DeFi. And guys, as we know, your strategy definitely should change. Of course, we had Bitcoin, then we had altcoins, then we had DeFi. Now we have NFTs. So definitely your strategy should change, but you definitely should only have one or two crypto that you're actually looking at per time. So therefore, you're not stretching your dollar. Of course, it depends how much money you have, but if you don't have a lot of money, you want one or two. Again, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research, but you don't want to spread your profits too thin. Now we have BBVA Swiss offers crypto wallet service and new digital investment account. And guys, as we see more and more big banks making it seamless for you to actually invest in cryptos, we know what the end game is. They want this whole economy tokenized and put on blockchain. Get your friends and family educated. And lastly, guys, we have South African regulators give warning to Binance. And we see Binance responds. But guys, we have Binance, we have Ripple, we have Uniswap. So we definitely see the narrative for cryptos to have that pullback. We're definitely going to have a pullback. Remember, the Fed never says, I took your money. It's always have to be a distraction. And the same thing goes with the stock market, happens every single time. Guys, we're definitely going to have a pullback. I know when we're up, we're making money, we're happy, but we're going to have that pullback, so therefore they can build this fourth industrial revolution, and then, of course, that 1% rises. How do I know? Because when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Cryptoteacher stocks, you have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get that home stocks to see where the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID 33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.